The United Nations Trade and Development, UNCTAD, has developed an open-source Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, large language model, LLM, application to address the challenges of generative AI adoption in official statistics and international organizations. This in-house solution offers cost-effectiveness, flexibility, and fosters institutional knowledge, but requires significant time and skill investments. The application consists of 4 publicly available libraries for document processing, statistical analysis, user interface, and fine-tuning existing LLMs. UNCTAD aims to promote the use of RAG LLMs in official statistics and international organizations. The development of in-house solutions highlights the potential of open-source solutions in bridging the gap between generative AI and official statistics, enabling organizations to harness the power of LLMs while mitigating the costs and uncertainties associated with proprietary solutions. Large language models, LLMs, are limited by their propensity for hallucinations, which can be addressed by introducing context windows that pass new information alongside queries. However, the size of the context window varies by LLM, making it a limiting factor. To overcome this, the RAG approach is employed, which involves chunking and embedding documents or large corpora of text into numerical vectors, storing them in a vector database, and retrieving them using a retriever to provide answers given new context. This approach reduces hallucinations and improves accuracy, as the LLM uses the retrieved chunks alongside the query to generate responses, without being aware of all the information in the vector database. The discussion highlights the limitations of this approach and the current state of proprietary offerings, such as Microsoft's Copilot Pro, which is a user-ready option. The paper also explores the trade-offs between developing generative AI applications in-house versus using external, paid solutions. In-house development offers cost advantages, flexibility in terms of features, and on-demand improvements and customization. However, it also involves uncertainty and potential risks associated with external services, including pricing volatility and the risk of service discontinuation. The importance of considering these factors is emphasized when deciding between in-house development and external solutions. Open-source software is highlighted as a beneficial option, offering flexibility and rapid updates to incorporate the latest developments. The development of an in-house generative AI tool offers several benefits, including the accumulation of institutional knowledge, fostering of institutional capacity, and enhanced privacy and data control. By creating an in-house solution, organizations can ensure their data is stored securely and only where they want it to be, avoiding potential risks associated with external services. This understanding can inform UNCTAD's substantive work and expand the guidance it provides to developing countries on the topic. However, there are also significant drawbacks to consider, such as the availability of resources and capacity, scalability, polish, and access to frontier models. The development of a comprehensive text analysis and search application by UNCTAD's Global Crisis Response Group, GCRG, leverages OpenAI's LLM API for its brains and utilizes a local PostgreSQL vector database. The process begins with text corpus processing from various document formats into a format compatible with the embedding model. UNCTAD's library for text processing, including optical character recognition, is used. The application's front end is built with Streamlit, supporting multiple users and persistence of vector databases. This setup allows for LLM-agnostic and embedding model-agnostic usage. The application's components are available on GitHub and PyPI, and Dockerfiles enable easy deployment. It can run on any NVIDIA GPU-enabled machine or Apple Silicon Macs, with CPU support as well. The system supports unlimited simultaneous user sessions, with requests queued for simultaneous generation. The importance of institutional space for innovative projects is highlighted, as this work was carried out without a clear immediate need but has the potential for transformative impact. The application's versatility and the potential for repurposing its components are emphasized. Here is the combined summary. Generative AI has the potential to enhance the capabilities of national statistical offices and international organizations, particularly when invested in data science capacities and institutional space for innovation. UNCTAD's experience in developing generative AI applications entirely for free and in-house demonstrates the benefits of customization to an organization's specific needs, leveraging open-source community resources. One key area for improvement is fine-tuning an existing large language model on a dedicated corpus of raw text, without question and answer pairs, for knowledge and style injection, utilizing the local LLM fine-tune library and unsloth package. This approach can make the LLM more suitable for a particular task or domain of interest, enhancing its performance in various applications. Optimizing the existing RAG system is another avenue of improvement, such as fine-tuning or improving the embedding model and vector search functions, ensuring the most relevant and helpful text chunks are passed to the LLM for answers. Hyperparameters can also be optimized, and introducing pre-filtering steps to the vector database may increase the likelihood of returning relevant and useful chunks for the LLM. The rollout, adoption, and training of these AI systems are crucial, especially for LLMs, which require users to understand their limitations and follow correct validation guidelines to avoid hallucinations and wrong information. RAG helps with this issue by returning alongside its answers both the actual texts it is basing its answer off and the metadata for those texts, making it relatively easy to verify if a fact or figure the LLM returns is not contained in the source texts, likely a hallucination. The development of a language model for UNCTAD's data processing pipeline is not a binary choice between paid and free services, and the infrastructure and institutional knowledge acquired during this process can be leveraged to introduce paid components into the pipeline or switch to a completely managed solution in the future. The paper outlines the process of fine-tuning pre-trained language models on domain-specific datasets, which significantly improves their performance in downstream tasks, and demonstrates the potential for synergy between different methodologies.